Hey there, fellow knowledge seekers. Have you ever looked at a tattoo and wondered about more than just its design or the story behind it? What if I told you that there's a whole world of science and health implications inked into these art pieces? That's right. Today, we're diving deep into the intriguing, often unexplored link between tattoos and autoimmune diseases. It's a journey through art, science, and health that you don't want to miss. Tattoos have been a part of human culture for centuries, evolving from tribal symbols to modern expressions of art and identity. But as their popularity skyrockets, so do the questions about their impact on our health. So, let's unravel this mystery together. Whether you're inked up, planning to get a tattoo, or just here for the thrill of learning something new, this exploration is for you. Let's dive in. What are autoimmune diseases? Autoimmune diseases are fascinating, yet complex conditions where the body's immune system, which usually guards against germs like bacteria and viruses, mistakenly attacks its own cells. Imagine your body's defense system turning into a sort of confused double agent. This can lead to a variety of health issues, depending on which part of the body is targeted. Each autoimmune disease is unique, but they all share this underlying theme of the body's immune system going off the rails and attacking its own tissues, causing a myriad of health challenges. Tattoos, more than skin deep. Tattoos. They're not just artistic expressions inked on the skin. They're intricate stories of pain, resilience, and transformation. The process of getting a tattoo is both an art and a science, a dance of precision and creativity that goes much deeper than the skin. First off, let's talk about the tattooing process. It begins with choosing the design, a symbol of personal significance or artistic value. Then comes the preparation, sterilizing the equipment, prepping the skin, and getting mentally ready for the experience. The tattoo artist, a skilled craftsman, then uses a tattoo machine that rapidly punctures the skin with a needle, depositing ink into the dermis, the second layer of skin. This layer is stable, ensuring the tattoo's permanence. Now, the body's reaction to this artistic intrusion is a spectacle of biology. The moment the needle punctures the skin, the body sounds the alarm. It perceives the ink particles as foreign invaders, much like it would a pathogen. The immune system swings into action, sending in its first responders, the white blood cells. They attempt to engulf and break down the ink particles, a mission they partly achieve. However, the real twist in this biological tale is that many ink particles are too large for the white blood cells to completely eliminate. So, what happens next? These particles remain in the dermis, permanently etched into the skin. The surrounding tissue heals, and the tattoo becomes a visible, enduring artwork. During healing, which can take a few weeks, the skin goes through a series of changes. There's redness, swelling, and sometimes a bit of bleeding. All normal signs of the body doing its repair work. Scabs form and eventually fall off, revealing the newly minted tattoo. Throughout this process, proper care is crucial to prevent infection and ensure the best possible healing. This intricate interplay between art and biology, between an external expression and an internal response, is what makes tattoos more than skin deep. They are permanent imprints not just on the body, but on the immune system itself. Each tattoo tells a story, not just through its design, but through the silent, unseen dance of cells and ink deep within the skin. It's a testament to the complex and enduring relationship between our external cells and our internal biological workings. The science behind the link: tattoos and autoimmune diseases. A topic that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi novel, right? But it's real and teeming with fascinating research and theories. Now, let's dive into the science behind the potential link between tattoos and autoimmune responses. First, it's essential to understand that tattoos involve injecting foreign substances into the body. These substances, mainly tattoo inks, are not just simple pigments. They are complex mixtures containing metallic salts, organic dyes, and even plastics. Now, the human body is a masterpiece of biological engineering, designed to identify and attack foreign invaders. So, when these foreign particles enter the body via tattoos, the immune system kicks into gear. Several studies have explored this interaction. A notable one, published in the Journal of Dermatology, looked at the skin's reaction to tattoo ink. It found that the process of tattooing can cause an increase in certain immune system cells within the skin, indicating an immune response. Another study, from the American Journal of Clinical Dermatology, observed that some individuals with tattoos experienced symptoms resembling autoimmune conditions, suggesting a possible link. Now let's talk about a theory that's been gaining traction. Some scientists believe that the chronic immune response triggered by tattoos could, over time, contribute to the development of an autoimmune disease. This theory hinges on the idea of molecular mimicry. Essentially, some components of tattooing might be similar enough to certain body tissues, tricking the immune system into attacking those tissues as well. However, it's crucial to approach this theory with a pinch of skepticism. Correlation does not imply causation. Just because some people with tattoos have developed autoimmune diseases does not mean the tattoos cause the diseases. There could be other underlying factors at play, like genetics or environmental triggers. Yet, there's another angle to consider. Tattoos might actually boost the immune system in some cases. A study from the Journal of Human Immunology found that people with multiple tattoos had a more robust immune response compared to those getting their first tattoo. The theory here is that repeated exposure to the ink trains the immune system, making it more efficient in responding to other external threats. So, where does all this science leave us? Well, it's a bit of a balancing act. On one hand, there's evidence suggesting that tattoos could potentially trigger an autoimmune response in certain individuals, especially those with pre-existing genetic predispositions. On the other hand, tattoos might actually strengthen the immune system in some cases. It's important to note that research in this area is still evolving. As tattoos continue to grow in popularity, more studies are being conducted to understand their long-term effects on the body. For now, the link between tattoos and autoimmune diseases remains a fascinating area of study, filled with theories and hypotheses waiting to be further explored. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. The world of tattoos is as complex as it is fascinating, especially when it intersects with the delicate workings of our immune system. While the research is still ongoing, it's clear that there's much more to tattoos than meets the eye. So, the next time you see a tattoo, remember, it's not just a piece of art. It's a story, a science, and a personal journey, all wrapped into one. As we continue to explore these links, who knows what other mysteries we'll uncover. If you enjoyed this deep dive and are thirsty for more intriguing explorations, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community of curious minds, and let's keep unraveling the mysteries of the world together. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and stay awesome.